What's up, Slow family? Welcome back to another video. We got a little issue going on. I'm gonna just let you guys know that. Okay. Alright guys, so don't look at me like I'm crazy, you know. Got off the bed and brushed my teeth and came straight down to work on this car. Been having this grinding noise from the belt, around the belt, I don't know. And it's loud. Pretty loud. So I'm gonna try to take off the belt, move everything around, the AC compressor, the water pump, try to see if I can hear any squeaking noise. Then I'm gonna turn the car on, let it run for a little bit to see if it's there or not. So let me do this and I'll get back to you guys. I removed the belt. I thought it was the AC, but it's not squeaking. The water pump doesn't squeak at all. This either. Alternator, no. You can't hear it. So it has to be something here around the belt. So if I put the belt back on, it's gonna start squeaking again. But I don't know what's going on. There's no play in any of them. No play, everything's good. So I really don't know. As you can see, with no belt, there's no squeaking. And the belt, it's a brand new belt. I don't think it has to do anything with the belt. I don't know. No cracks or anything. Nowhere. Up there, guys. So I found out that the bolts from the water pump pulley are loose. I can take them out with my hands without a problem, without doing any force or anything. So anyways, I'm gonna take it out, try to see if I can bend these teeth back in. Then I'm gonna put it back in, tighten it up, turn it on, and see if that was the issue, because it was loose, or I don't know. But let's see. As you guys can see, there's another one right here, and that one right there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can pull them back straight. I don't know if this will help, but let me see. So I'm gonna just leave this one like this. Just put it in, tighten it up, see if it's still squeaking. If that fixes the issue, or if it keeps going, I'm gonna just order the Paraben lightweight water pump pulley, just to get rid of this one. So let's see. Let's try it. The bell is now on. Let's turn the car on and see if it's still there or not. It's gone. It's fixed now. in the rim. Got another box, but I can't show that. So this is from Subaru Speed for the tail lights. To change, to put the brake light as the turn signals, and the reverse light and the turn signals, the OEM ones, to be only the reverse light. So I know there's more videos out there, but I'll show you guys so you guys can know what is it and what it does. So I'll show you guys right now. So all you gotta do is pop this little clip out of here. Then it should come right out. So you have access to all this. Just check this out. Whenever it wants to come out. There you go. You get this side. There's only one way it can go in there, so pop that in there. You connect this side in here. So as you can see, with this side connected, this is the turn signals now. Don't mind the mess in there. And this is the OEM, how it comes OEM. You can see. Alright, so I have both sides in now. Just need to run to AutoZone real quick so I can get a female connector, so I can connect it to the reverse light. All right, so now it's all set. See, now I got the turn signals right there with the brake light, the turn signal and the reverse light, or whatever, I don't know. I think this is the reverse light and turn signal, yeah. Now they both working as the reverse light. So yeah, that's it. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. It was a pretty easy install, so you know, I was a bit scared what was going on with the car, I ain't gonna lie, but thanks God I fixed it. Just gotta fix a little issue that's going on with the idle. Still not sure what's going on. Car pops, you know, it has like little pops and stuff. Gotta go through that to see what's going on, but that's gonna be another video. So hope you guys like the video. Comment, like, subscribe, share it. You know, catch you guys in the next one.